My name is Aka Rivers. I'm from Waianae, and I'm studying to get my Hawaiian studies degree right now. And when I go to UH, I'm gonna try and do either women's studies or psychology or social work. I want to work with women that have been abused. My poems. The first one that I wrote was the Birthright one. Um, that was my first Cinquain. I was taking the creative writing class. I have always written, but I haven't written in a long time. I hadn't been able to. And I forced myself to take that class so it would get me back into it. And I'd never written a Cinquain ever. And I have this thing against form poetry, but I went ahead and did it. And I was kind of shocked that it worked. It really worked for me. So when I read it to the teacher, she liked it, and I was shocked about that too because I hadn't written anything in a very long time. So when she said I should submit it, I went ahead and did that, and she encouraged me to include the other one too. Birthright. Mother, you denied me. Ancestors. Mother tongue. Deflated in my mouth. Teeth stained. Howling.